Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so via the thumbnail in the bottom right corner. As you can see, the video is focused on my walking robot Mirft2, made of fischertechnik and based on the TXT controller, which runs embedded Linux and programmed in Python. Last time I extended the robot with a second battery pack, or was the time before that? Anyway, I had to do a little change in wiring, which I will show momentarily, and I reintroduced the cloth. Just this stuff, so this slippery thing here isn't walked upon, and this should be easier to walk on without my assistance. So I have to rewrite the code a little bit, or adjust the code, because of the wiring. So yeah, let's go to the screencast so I can show you how to what I did and how to do it. Right, as you can see, screencast, which means with different camera, also different audio, but with a terminal showing the source code, terminal in which I do the execution, this one for showing the images taken by the camera, and RoboPro to test things. So let's do the testing. That is showing 9.3 volts. This is showing 9.2 volts, which is right to me. Now, I was talking about the wiring, and previously I had it in serial because I thought it was best. However, no, I have to take this one. This is wrong. So this I will take out of the equation, and this one I will take out of the equation, this one as well. So this is all good, and from here I take a wire, will go here, and a wire from here to here, and this is the correct way as it is now. So let's save this one, and well, which is battery 1 and 2? Well, this is originally battery 1, this is 2, but it doesn't matter for now. What does matter is that I have to adjust the coder for it. Question is exactly how to do so, but apart from this, I have something called voltage. So let me find voltage or battery. Okay, voltage C. This I have to add, or I have to duplicate this and make it 5 as well. So I have to do this for 5 and add another EQ, and I will do that off camera. Okay, so I have now added the line here. I also added writing to the log file, and now the question is, will it work? Well, only one thing to find out is running it. So let's just do that. And with 2 battery packs it should work. 2.5 seconds to get the camera connected. Speed. In the meantime, lots of images being taken. And one thing is that it deviates from the straight course. So that will also be interesting to see in the images. And if I take the camera here, then you will see that right here is an object and there are objects, but it is focused right here. So now I'm quite curious what the result is. First of all, of course, the battery voltage is on 5 measured 9,17 millivolts. No, volts. 9,170 millivolts. Anyway, you can read it yourself. Then this is not very good because it has now shown that the lower the value is, the better it is. So it will show all red. Let me put it that way. Then pictures, display, and let me just copy it like this. That will be the best. Or first this one. Let me now copy it instead of otherwise. That's a lot faster. Copy, paste, ampersand, go. That's one thing. That's the end of it. And it's quite blurry. Okay, result. No. Result is copy and display, of course. Paste, ampersand. Oh, that is not what I expected. It doesn't show this one, it only shows this. Oh, that's different. Let me go back in time. Result. That is much better. And that was with this image. So, big difference. And I'm not quite sure which I like best. But that also means that if I compare this value to the other one, so this is 5 nines, this is 80. So yeah, that is a big difference. The lower the number, the more red in it. This is proven. But why does it go astray? That is a big question. Another walking. So let's go. Robot set straight. Let's hope the camera steps connected. Okay, let me try a different speed. It is walking backwards. straight. Okay, yeah, that is to be expected. A lot lower, but why does it walk backwards and something with the gears as well? I do not like that. Okay, when we put it here, and yet another run. And I may expect that this one is going off. It takes a lot of the batteries. At 7978 it is done. Go. Yeah, okay. Let's stay at 450. I don't mind. Connection aborted. Abort. Again. Network error. Oh, come on. Good. Proceed. Yep. And okay, now I know, because this side, the right side, has a problem. Okay. I need to find out why. I think I've got the problem solved. The gearing on this place, and I will show you in here. So for this motor, the gearing was misaligned. I pushed it back. The whole frame had, well, somehow gotten off its place. So I may have to take a further look on it, or to it, but anyway, let's take a run or a walk, hopefully without network error. 2.5 seconds for the camera initialization. And that, well, I don't need a network error. Yes, okay, let's stick to fit. Oh, what is running? Something is running freely. Okay, a gear problem. I have a gear problem somewhere, but right now I don't see where. And previous time I did see it was here. So where the problem is this time, maybe the battery pack. So let me take a look at the battery pack. And this one, 90 again. How is that possible? So here I get 90, and previous one says 82. Oh, yeah, 8,2. Okay, this is confusing. Anyway, wiring is okay. Gears not always, and the pictures are confusing. So I don't think it will be any different than this. Ouch. So with a piece of wiring here solved, now running parallel, and measuring both battery packs, I still have a problem with the gearing, unfortunately. Anyway, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel via the thumbnail in the bottom right corner. Please leave your comments and suggestions under the video. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. And please support this channel by either becoming a patron or donate via IBAN or PayPal, and you don't need an account for PayPal. For more information, please see under this video or in the final shot of this video. This is going to be continued. Stay safe, have a nice day, take care, bye.